issue of debentures. We will now study the topic procedure for issue of debentures. Let us now study the procedure for issue of debentures. Pass a resolution in board meeting. The board of directors pass a resolution for the issue of debentures. They decide the amount to be decided for the amount to be issued as debentures. The type of debentures to be issued. The board of directors decide as to what are the type of debentures to be issued to the general public. They also approve the prospectus to be issued. The board of directors then approve the debenture trustees to be appointed. These debenture trustees are appointed so as to enable to create a charge on the assets of the company. They also call for an EOGM, that is extraordinary general meeting if necessary. This extraordinary general meeting is to be called if the board of directors decide to increase the borrowing powers of the company. In this meeting, a resolution is also passed to open a bank account. In this bank account, the investors have to deposit their application money for the debentures. Hold extraordinary general meeting. If the borrowing powers have to be increased, then the secretary arranges to hold an extraordinary general meeting. In this extraordinary general meeting, the borrowing powers is finalized. A special resolution is then passed for this borrowing powers. Filing with Registrar of Companies. After the Board of Directors meeting takes place, then the copy of the special resolution, copy of the prospectus and letter of offer has to be filed within 30 days of passing this resolution. Obtain credit rating. Credit rating agencies, that is, they look into the credit worthiness of the organizations. It effectively ranks the borrowers on their ability to pay off the loans. The investors decide on the credit rating about the investment to be done. Enter into underwriting contracts with the underwriters. Underwriting contracts are then entered so as to avoid the risk of minimum subscription. If the company does not procure the minimum subscription, the underwriters guarantee to this minimum subscription. Issue prospectus or letter of offer or the offer letter. This prospectus is going to inform about the debentures to be issued, the amount to be paid to the company per debenture. All the details related to the debentures are mentioned in this prospectus or the letter of offer or offer letter. Based on this, the general public then decide to invest. Open a separate bank account. A separate bank account is then opened wherein it will allow the subscribers to deposit the application money. This application money along with the application form has to be deposited in this bank account. Receiving application money. The subscribers then submit the application money along with the application form within the time period that is mentioned in the prospectus. So this has to be deposited in the bank account itself. Hold board meeting. After the investors have applied, then the board of directors meeting is held. In this board of directors meeting, they decide about the allotment of debentures. The approval also takes place over here. Based on the approval, the creation of the charges on the company's assets is also taking place. Issue of debenture certificate. After the approval of the allotment takes place, then the company has to see to it that the debenture holders will be given the debenture certificate. This allotment has to be completed within 60 days. and after that within 6 months the debenture holders have to compulsorily receive the debenture certificate. Based on the allotment that is being done and the debenture certificates given, then the company has to make entries in the register of debenture holders. That is, in this register of debenture holders, the company has to mention about the details of these debenture holders. The secretary should see to it that the entries are done within 7 days of approval of this allotment. If the allotment has been done in the demat form, that is in the dematerialized form, or which we say as the electronic form, then it is not necessary to make these entries in the register. This register of debenture holders mentions the details about the name of the debenture holder, number of debentures issued, the interest payable, the type of debentures issued, and even the charge on the assets that is being created.